Do you want your viewers to be able to see your teammates' gameplay as well as yours on your live stream? Well, to be able to do this, you will need your teammate to go onto the website vdo.ninja. They will click on the remote screen sharing OBS option at the top, click on select screen to share, and you can choose one of these three options in here. I would probably recommend the application window, because if you select entire screen and they minimize the game and they've got something dodgy in the background, that will be displayed on your stream. So click on application window, click on the game and click on share. You'll see now that we've got a link at the top of the page. Click on the little paperclip icon next to this. Now you want to send this link to whoever is streaming. So you can send this through an email or a Discord message. Now the person that is streaming, they will go into their OBS, open up whichever scene they've got the gameplay on. Under sources, click on the plus icon and select browser. Now you will paste this link into the URL and click on OK. Now all you need to do from here is just resize their game, make it look all fancy on your stream, and now your viewers can watch you as well as your teammate playing the game.